everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Talat Waheed. In previous video I told you about joins. So today's topic is union operator. So let's talk about union operator. So it is used to combine the result set of two or more select statement. You can use two tables in it, okay, and it will provide you only unique values. So let's talk about terms and condition of union operator. So these are the terms and conditions. Each table used within union must have the same number of column, and column must have same data types, and column in each table must in the same order. Okay, so these are the terms and conditions for using union operator. So let's talk about syntax. Let's see what are the syntax. Select column name from table 1 union select column name from table 2. Okay, so for example, select address from employees union select address from customer. So let's check it in the terminal. Open your terminal and write this query. Okay, so just open your terminal. So this is first table, my table, okay, and this is second table, student, roll number, name, address and age. Okay, so address is a common column name between both. So just write query here, select address from first table name, which is student, okay, and write here union, and then write second query, which is select address from second table name, which is my table. Okay, so I'm writing it here, my table. Okay, so let's see what will be the output. Here is showing unique values, Delhi, Kerala, Mumbai, Goa, like this. Okay, so it will give you unique values of address column of both tables. Okay, so let's check it with another example. Okay, so let's see. Here is showing name of the both tables, Harry, Peter, Rose, Kim, like this. Okay, so all the values are unique. So let's check it with another. So our next topic is union all. Union all provides duplicate values. Okay, so this is the syntax. Select column name from table 1 union all select column name from table 2. Okay, select address from employees union all, like this. So just write this query, select address from student. So this is first table, and my table, this is the second table. Okay, so just write select name from my table, which is first table. Okay, and write union all. So I'm writing it here, union all keyword. Okay, select name from my table union all select name from second table, which is student. Okay, so select name from student. So let's see what will be the output. Here is showing duplicate values. Let's see, it's showing Lisa 2 times, it's showing Ross 2 times, Harry 2 times. Okay, so it will show you all the duplicates value of name column in both tables. Okay, so let's check it with another example. Let's see. So just write this query again. Let's go select name from my table union select name from student. Okay, so it's showing only unique values. With union operator you can have unique values, and with union all you can have duplicates value with you. Okay, so when you want to all the duplicates values, so use union all. Okay, so if you have any query, then you can ask me in the comment section below. So this is a student table and this is my table. So just write query, select address from student first table, and write it here union all, and second query, let's suppose select address from second table name, which is my table. Okay, so it will show you all the duplicate values in both the tables on address column. Okay, so it's showing Delhi 2 times, Kerala 2 times, Mumbai 2 times. Okay, so these are the duplicate values of both column address. Okay, so if you have any query, then you can ask me in the comment section below. Let's see what will be the output. Here is showing 15 rows. Okay, and when we use unique, it will show you only 9 rows because these values are unique. Next topic is group by clause. Thank you for watching.